Looking for an easy way to make some extra cash? Discover a free GPT app designed to help you earn money effortlessly. In this video, we'll walk you through how you can complete simple tasks like answering paid surveys, joining offer walls, and referring friends, all while enjoying a straightforward reward system. Accumulate coins and convert them into cash via PayPal or redeem for prepaid Visa cards. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your income from the comfort of your home. Watch now and start earning today. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our awesome videos. I'm always dishing out cool and super effective ways to make some cash online. The best part? You can do this stuff from pretty much anywhere on the planet. It'd be awesome if you could drop a comment below telling me which country you're tuning in from. That way, I can whip up some videos tailored to your region. Now, let's get started. BuckJoy is a cool GPT app that lets you make some extra cash in different ways. And yep, it seems legit because you can actually earn rewards with it. To get started, just install the app. When you open it for the first time, you'll need to register using your Google or Facebook account. Once you're signed up, you can log in and start earning right away. A cool way to make some cash with BuckJoy is by doing paid surveys. Just log into the app and head over to the Answer Surveys section. There, you'll find a list of all the survey providers working with BuckJoy. Pick one to kick off your earnings. If it's your first time choosing a provider, you'll need to set up your profile so they can match you with available surveys. With BuckJoy, you can make some cash by checking out offer walls. These usually involve signing up for free trials, playing mobile games, taking surveys, or watching videos to score some rewards. You can now kick back and earn some extra cash with BuckJoy's referral program. Just share your referral link with anyone you want to invite. When they click on it and sign up, they become your referral. The best part? You get a sweet 10% commission every time their app makes money. Easy peasy. With BuckJoy, you can rack up coins through all sorts of earning opportunities. The cool part? You can turn those coins into cash using PayPal or snag a prepaid Visa card. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.